Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, you know I travel like all the time, so I wanted to get myself a new toiletry bag because actually I didn't even have one. I just been using some little freebie thing that just nothing fits in. I couldn't fit my toothbrush and my other items in it at the same time, so this is going to be great for me. This is by Everfun because traveling is always so much fun. But it squoze up. You see, it's pretty small here, but then once I put my stuff in it, it'll kind of expand a bit so I can have some things in there. That's just some silica gel, but I'll show you guys what it is here. So here we go. So this is it. There, I can fit my electric toothbrush. I can fit anything in there. I actually have a washcloth that I take, like a scrubber brush, and it's got this little section in here. Hopefully you can see that in there. So I can zip it up and put it in there, and it's gonna keep it, you know, the wet stuff separate from the dry stuff. So that'll be good too. And it's got all these sections in here, everything really in the world you need, all the sections, and then it's got some sections over here. I can put my little pill box in the sections and everything. And then this side here even too, it's got another little section with plastic on it, so I could put my toothpaste and sunscreen and things like that in there. And then when I zip it up, take the little tag off here, I'm just gonna put something in here just so it's got a little bit of weight. I'll stick a few things in there. These are not toiletries by any means, but okay. So now I can zip it up. Okay, I want to show you guys what this. Look, it's got the zippers on both sides, so it can zip towards the middle. So you can just open up, like, you know, both there, or just use one and go all the way across. It's got the handle on it too. But then over here we have a little zip pouch here if we just have certain things that we want to keep kind of separate. Actually, this one looks like it goes into the inside. That top one. This would actually be a great place to keep my medicines then, because then I can get it from the outside. And then there's a front zip pocket as well. Let's see what that one looks like. Ah, it's got some straps in it too. So actually I might use this even for my cables and charging stuff at the same time. So, because when I travel, I need all that stuff. I can put everything in here. And then look at that, just a nice little handle there. It's got like areas here. I could carabiner stuff if I really wanted to it. But nice, super cool little Ditty bag here. I call it a Ditty bag. I don't know what they would call it. Toiletry bag. But great little setup here and super cool. This is going in my luggage now to be used all the time. So thumbs up for sure. Very cool.